Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook login problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find all the apps. Search for Facebook and then click on force stop and then click on the internal storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. Go back, click on the power usage details. Click here on the power or on the app launch here and disable this option and make sure to enable all those three options right here from the auto launch, the secondary launch and the run in background. Click OK. Go back and click here on the settings option. Go to the settings, open the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode for 3 seconds and disable it. That's it, and if the problem is not solved yet, then you have to check to update your Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe.